So we're trying to install the K&N air filter, and we thought that we had to take out all the seat and everything, all the assembly, but now we know that we just have to take the plastic that goes here and this bolt right here, and then we gotta undo these two, and apparently that's all we have to do to remove the tank right here. So let's see if that's what we have to do. So to recap, this bolt right here to take out the seat, two bolts right here, and now we have to take these three out to be able to raise this part. And apparently all these ones are, all of them. So this one right here, the one that was holding that one, is the Suzuki air filter. It looks pretty cool, right? But we're gonna switch it up for the K&N Race filter. Hi, baby. There it is. There it is. Brand new, clean, fresh. Damn, that's nice. All right, let's put that right there. So we're almost done with this. Just to recap, all these bolts have to come out. These three right here and two right here. It's pretty easy, guys. It's super easy. It doesn't take more than 30 minutes.
Suzuki.